So this is Percy. So this is 500 rapid. So it will go to downtown San Jose. I can see the return station. So but it will not charge me my clipper because I just used it. So I think it is valid for 2 hours. So this is the entrance station. This is the entrance for BART station. Percy BART station. This is San Jose. So I am going back to San Jose station. San Jose Tirgan station. I have a train at 4:30 p.m. So till that time I will just explore San Jose and I go to train station around 4:15 so that I can take the train. So I have still 1 hour time. So now it is only 3 p.m. Now it is only 2:25 p.m. So I have like 2 hours before the train. For the train.
Oh yeah, no, I got like 6 of them. I don't know, I was like 5 years ago. It's just that.
Yeah. Wait, I'm pretty sure I lived there too. This is
I see some
outside
TikTok.
of the library. You
Yeah.
recorded it?
I see some TikTokers.
Oh, speak.
This is San Jose downtown. San Jose City Hall. See the beautiful design of the building. Beautiful roads with trees. You can see trees on the roads. See the trees. Every road is like that in San Jose. So there is one more road coming up. So you can see. You can see flight, sea flight, Southwestern flight. San Jose airport is very close. San Jose International Airport. So Fremont Bank. Lane, City Bank. This is Zoom building. So entire Zoom buildings are Zoom and Nadu. You can see top on the Zoom. This is Zoom office. So these are AC hotels. Next stop is San Jose Tirgan station. So where I got down from Caltrain. So I am going back there. So I see if I can take another bus going to a different Barack Obama Street Road. Barack Obama. I took that bus again, came to San Jose station. Sorry, San Jose downtown. That Punjabi driver. So he dropped me off here, San Pedro Square. So I am just going there and to spend some time. I can see San Pedro Arch. This is San Jose downtown area. So very big buildings, as every downtown is similar in US. So this is one more bus going to Gilroy Y68. So you can see very big buildings, but not like San Francisco downtown. So that is totally different. So now I can walk. Some more buildings this side, that side. So I am going towards San Pedro. I can take any bus to go to San Jose Diridan station. So like 500, 222, 568, all buses go there. So no need to worry. But at least 68, but at least I want to go there for at least 30 minutes before my train. I don't want to take any risk. So as you can see, this is San Pedro station. So it is heart in the downtown of San Jose. That is Santa Clara Street. So I sit somewhere and eat something or drink something, and I take a next bus. Not next bus, maybe after 45 minutes, 50 minutes. I have time. So this is beautiful. I am entering inside San Pedro Square. See, it's very nice. San Pedro. This is heart of San Jose. I want to explore San Jose. I am spending some time in San Jose. So previously, like into 2021, I think we have taken only one train, so VTA. But today I am able to spend some time. This entire thing might be very busy in the night, in the evening. This is Telugu restaurant, South Indian restaurant in San Jose. See the rates. Idli 9.5, dosa 14. So it is like masala dosa, plain dosa 11, masala dosa 12.5. Now I am standing at the bus stop. So all these buses go to San Jose Diridan station. So I have still 1 hour, 15 minutes, 20 minutes time. So I am waiting for any bus to go to San Jose Diridan. So I need to spend more time here, but it is like no one is there in the restaurants. So they are all empty. So they might become busy in the evening, in the night hours. So yes, I am going back to San Jose station, San Jose Diridan station, waiting for the bus. In this bus, I got down from this bus. So I have to walk to San Jose Diridan station. So it is just maybe 5 minutes walk. So that is the station there. So that bus is going to Palo Alto. So I have to go this way. You can see Adobe offices, Zoom offices far from here. So I have to go this way. You can see parking, trains, train station, San Jose Diridan. So car train is going. So, but I have to catch A train. A train frequency is very less. Like 4 trips in the morning, it will come from Lathrop to San Jose, and again evening 4 trips from here. So last train is I think 5:30, so it will take 2 hours to go to Lathrop or Manteca. So from there my cousin will come and will pick me up from the station. It is very close. This is the beautiful Ace train which I have to take. I heard so many things about this Ace train, so I am very much looking forward to the journey.
541 now arrived.
So I think its departure is 4:30. Let me check. So I have boarded this train. One more train is 3:30. So I am taking this train instead of waiting. This is Ace train, looking excellent. Train started on correct time, 3:35 p.m. So I will reach 1 hour early. So instead of taking 4:35 train, I am taking 3:35 train. So cool. So wait here.